Okay, so today we're going to talk about electrons and energy levels, and I'm just going to show you really quickly how to calculate the number of electrons in an energy level. Energy levels are also known as shells. So you could be asked how many electrons are in the first energy level, or the second energy level, or the third shell, or the first shell, or anything like that. Okay, and the formula that we're going to absolutely know for this is the number of electrons in a shell or energy level equals 2n squared, where that n is the energy level, and which is always going to be a number. Okay, so let's practice. So for shell 1, or the first shell, and this is kind of a practice in algebra, we know that the formula is 2n squared. We know that this is going to be our n. So 2 times 1 squared. Based on the rules of algebra, you do the squared first and then the multiplication. So in the parentheses first, then square, then multiply. Okay, so 1 times 1, or 1 squared, is still 1. So there are 2 total electrons in the first energy level. Okay, so now let's jump up to, say, the 6th energy level, or the 6th shell, just to give you an idea. Okay. So again, we're going to do the square first. We just plugged in for the n, we just plugged in 6 because we're in shell 6. So 6 times 6, or 6 squared, is 36. And 2 times 36 is 12, 672. So there's 2 electrons in the first energy level, there's 72 electrons in the 6th energy level, and there's a whole bunch of variation in between. So I hope that you guys are now comfortable with using this formula, remembering to square it first based on the rules of algebra.